Amy. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to do a floral design on this gold painted rock. I am going to be doing, or using I should say, a number 6 and a number 8 a magic brush, along with a number 4 Deerfoot Stippler. Paints I'm using on this design are all FolkArt paints. I have a combination of MultiSurface and Enamels. This is Engine Red, Fresh Foliage, Thicket, Moon Yellow, Real Brown, and Wicker White. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I did do a, should include this I guess, 14 karat gold multi-surface paint on top of this rock. I didn't do it on the back side, not sure if I will or not, but I did it on the front. Did that in advance so I would have a chance to be able to paint on top of it. I am going to start by using well actually I'm going to use the number 6. It's a flat brush. Both of these are flat brushes. I am going to be loading my brush with the Engine Red and the Wicker White. Just dipping each side of my brush into one of the colors and continuing on to do my design. Alright, I'm going to start kind of in the center here, and I'm going to do a design where I'm actually pulling two, going like that, and then pulling another one right beside it to create the petals. I am going to leave a space in between the petals. They're not right up next to each other as far as space right there. And then just keep coming around and adding more strokes, more petals. Just like that. I am leaving a little bit of the center open. You don't have to, but I'm going to be pouncing in the center. I'm trying to leave it open so you can see what I'm doing here. And then just more of a bud kind of thing over here. Not too big. The rock slipped out of my hand a little bit. Like that. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is pounce in the center, and I'm going to put the tip right here into the yellow, the heel of it into the real brown, and I'm going to tap on my plate because I like to tap out a good portion of the paint before I actually tap it on to the surface. And then I'm going to tap just a little bit of white in it. I want to add a little bit of white to it. Oops. I got pulled in a little bit of red too. It's not what I wanted. I got too much paint there. See, if you don't tap it off before you do it, then you'll get too much paint on it. And you can just keep working with it till you get it to look the way you want it. I'm going to leave it like that. And the next thing I'm going to do is get the number 8 magic brush. I'm going to dip one side into the Thicket, one side into the Fresh Foliage, and then a little bit, the side that goes into the Fresh Foliage, I am going to put into the Moon Yellow. And then I am going to come up here, draw my might go like this. I think I'm going to go like that with this one. Make a little swirly, little sway. Come like that. And then I could use a smaller brush, really could. But on this one I'm just going to do just quick little pulls. I always call them that, but I'm just pulling it in there. Okay, and then I'm going to come down here, push it down, and then pull it. Again, I'm pushing it down and then pulling it. Do it again and pull it. Then I'm going to come over here and do a few too. Pull it down like that. And then I'm going to come up here and add some more. Very easy. Definitely, I pulled in some red. Wasn't planning on that. Cover it up a little bit. Like that. Pretty easy. If you're new to my channel, that is what I try to do, is provide very simple painting that even a beginner painter could do. I'm going to cover that back up here. And you can go back over just to make sure you have good coverage. I think it looks cute. Alright, so there you have it. Now if you want to add any, you can add some dotting in this if you want, but I think it's pretty just the way it is. If you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And last but least, when you finish watching the video, if you would share this on your social network with all your family and friends, I'd appreciate that. Pretty easy, you just hit that button underneath the video that says share, and it'll give you the options of where you want to share it. And thanks again for visiting my channel. I do appreciate you, and until the next time, you have a good one.